Are you in media and you are in ministry? Let's combine the two. How can two walk together except they agree? So I'm putting media and ministry together, and I'd like you to walk with me. We can learn many things together on this journey. We can share ideas, tricks, and hacks. We can even do collaborations. So come along on the journey. Which platform would you like to use? Let me know in the comments below. What's your favorite platform that you would like to use to elevate your ministry? Like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Be blessed. Social media and ministry, they go hand in hand. He said in the Great Commission, go ye therefore into all the world. And social media can be used to enhance your media ministry. It can be also used to spread the gospel. There are many teaching platforms out there today, and I'd like to share some of them with you. So come along on this journey. I've been on this journey for 5 months on I Cherish Church, and we're still learning every day, but there's someone out there that just started. If you've just started your online church or your online ministry, give me a like, a thumbs up, and let me know. I need help to know which way to go. Let's do a roadmap together. I'm climbing every day higher and higher heights, and I'm trying to get to deeper depths. But I'm learning this social media, and it's fun. But we can also spread the gospel and encourage one another in the Lord. Amen. Amen. So I want you to stay tuned, and I'll show you some of the methods that I've used to record my videos, some of my 3 steps that I use to put in the videos, making sure I have a thumbnail, making sure that I use the triple threat method by having a thumbnail, having a title, having tags, and a good description would help. So follow along and we can get into it more intricately, the details of how we can grow together and get our ministries moving and get our followers following and listening to the word of Christ. Amen. I've been on this journey for about 5 months under I Cherish Church, but I also have a YouTube channel that's Cheryl's Christian Living, just to show you that you can be saved, have fun, and live for Christ. Amen.